We're off on our trek around our neighborhood. So wish us luck, people.
Document this blizzard.
If we don't make this, whoever finds this, pass on our memory of this event, this blizzard of 2010. Looks like we have our first casualty.
Shut up!
Come on, dude.
Shut up! I got snow in my face.
Well, no kidding. Whoa! Come on. To the road.
I hate you!
Oh my god. Come on, Ben. No, Ben, you need more than that. Come on, Andrew. Let's go.
Crap, come on!
Dude. Seriously. It's not that hard to walk. Come on, we only have 23 minutes to film. Let's go. Our scout is going ahead to see if there's any treasures lying ahead. We trek along the road as the sidewalks are inaccessible at the moment. I mean, the road is kind of covered too, but it's a lot easier than tripping over curbs. So, we're headed down our hill. And we are going to find out how else our neighborhood has been affected by this so-called blizzard of 2010. Seems that the snow is getting thinner. Well, come on. Let's keep going. So you can see, everything is covered. Our visibility isn't so good, even with the camera. Slacker.
What?
Come on, let's go. He's not gonna know. Dude, don't you dare.
Oh crap.
He's not gonna know which way to go. So he's pretty much screwed. I mean, he could, but we're not gonna wait for him.
Whatever street it says.
Stay to the edge in case people come in cars.
There can't be cars.
Yeah, well, there's trucks that can take this snow. Just stay to the edge here. There's a
Are you
groove.
continuously filming that?
Yes. There's a groove right here. Right at the edge. Come on. As you can see, that house has been hit as well.
Oh, my eye.
As you can see, you can barely see
Down carrot circle.
because
Let me
the visibility here is very bad. So we advise whoever is out there to not attempt to leave their homes unless you are walking maybe 3 feet. But we are brave men trekking through this blizzard in our neighborhood. And we are trying to find Andrew, you know that's gonna fall on you.
Come on.
What? What are you looking at?
I heard a bird.
If a bird's still here, they're stupid. Because that bird's gonna get frozen solid.
They picked the worst year to adapt to the snow.
Yeah, no kidding. Dude, he's not gonna come.
How did you know I turned around?
We have a fellow person out here trying to trek through this blizzard. They're trying to clear. What are you doing?
Tried to kick the